Hi kids, today I want to teach you how to draw some jasmine flower, the small tiny jasmine flowers. It's like what you saw. Okay, so what I had to prepare, you had to prepare a ruler, scissors, a marker pen, a permanent marker pen, which is very fine marker pen, and two crayons. Okay, one is yellow color, another one is dark green. So yellow and dark green. Okay, so shall we start now? All right. Okay, so what you're going to do, and use this ruler and the pencil to draw a box. Okay, so you just draw a box. Okay, draw a box. Yeah. Okay, so just draw a box. Okay, so take this box. Okay, yeah. So after you have drawn a box, now you can use the dark green to start the color. So you just follow what I do. I will do just afterwards. Okay, so yeah, let's go. This is color the box. Yeah, with the green. Okay, just cover the box with a dark green. Okay, alright. Okay, just cover the box, cover the entire box, alright? Yeah, with the dark green. Okay. Alright, cover. Okay. And then after you have covered them with the dark green, and right now you may color it with the yellow. Okay. Yeah, cover it. Cover the blank part. Okay, the blank part which you haven't filled it with the dark green. Now you can use the yellow to fill it now. Okay, fill the blank part. Okay, alright, yes. Okay, covered it. Alright, okay. Alright, so that's it. Okay, and then you can use the ruler. Okay, so the ruler, you look at the corner of this ruler is the very sharp part. Alright, so you can use this part to scratch. Okay, see what I'm going to do. Alright, so just use this ruler to scratch it. Okay, just scratch it. Okay, scratch it. Okay. After you've done it, okay, you may use a white crayon to put some dot. Okay, so this is the end of the first part. Alright, then I will tell you how to make some tiny jasmine flower later. Alright, you just get a blank paper. Okay, use the pencil to draw the flower. Okay, so I'll show you how to draw it. Okay, right. Okay, this is one. Another one. Okay, another one. Okay, you may draw it different sizes. Okay, in order to make to look very natural. Alright, so draw another one. You may draw more than that, so I just draw 4 to show you. Okay, so after you have completed the drawing, okay, so you may use the permanent marker, alright, the very fine permanent marker to draw the outline. So slowly, okay, draw the outline with a marker. Alright, okay, again. Another one, draw it. Yeah. Last one. Okay, so after you have draw the outline, use the yellow crayon to color the center of the flower. Alright, with the yellow. Alright, yeah, look very beautiful. Okay. Okay, so teacher wanted to cut the flower out, and okay, you just cut the shape of the flower. Okay, yeah, just cut it out. Okay, if you don't have confidence to do it, you can ask your mother to cut for you. Alright, be careful when you cut it, don't cut your hand. Alright, just cut the shape of the flower. Okay, alright. Okay, slowly, patiently cut it out. Okay, alright. Okay, cut it out. So after you have cut out the flowers, okay, so I've got 4 flowers here. You may use the glue, apply some glue on it, and then you just paste it on the paper. Alright, just paste it. Alright, 1, okay, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so completed. Very simple. Yeah, and then if you want to write something, you may write like what I'm writing now. I love you, me. Okay, alright, yeah, that's it, completed. Alright, see you next time.